guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another mask review. This I picked up because it was randomly in the sale section at my local Ulta pulling through. But these were really big a little while back and probably a year or two ago actually. But I finally picked one up and I only picked up one because this was literally the only one they had. They had one other one like this but it was open. And this is the TONYMOLY Painting Therapy Pack. Sebum Control Black Color Clay. That is what it looks like. And yeah, I try a lot of like the charcoal-y masks and a lot of like sebum control masks. So this should be quite interesting. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, it says TONYMOLY Painting Therapy Pack Sebum Control / Black Clay. This wash-off pack effectively removes sebum and dead skin cells with black clay containing bamboo charcoal ingredients. Customized pack for each skin area such as T-zone and U-zone. Mixing pack for each skin problem by blending several packs. We do not have several packs, we have one pack. All in one pack for the entire face. Cool, I can use this on my whole face. That's a step up from the I Do Care one that's in my bathroom. Directions. Apply an appropriate amount on areas that need care or on the entire face. After 10 to 15 minutes, wash off with lukewarm water. Can you guys tell I didn't have coffee today? I just had like my tea. Kind of going through it. All right, we have bare ears. Also, please excuse my nails, I'm doing them tomorrow. Okay, so I am going to peel this off. There's a little bit of a scent. My face is washed. It doesn't say anything about washing the face beforehand, but I think that's kind of just a given. And I think I'm just going to put it on my brush and just put it on my face. That's what it looks like. It's really thick. It says you can like mix it with other masks, but I don't really see how that would be a thing you can do when it's like this thick of a consistency. It does, like I don't paint, but to my knowledge, this is what acrylic paint looks like. It goes on really easily though, that is one thing, because it is a thicker, because it is like a thicker consistency, it goes on super easy. The scent is still there a little bit, it's a bit stronger when you put it on your face, of course, but I actually really like the scent. I really don't know how to describe it. I'm pretty sure it's something that has to do with the bamboo extract or whatever. But I like the scent. You do kind of need to use a lot though, so I see where this is like a good idea for like a multi-masking mask pack because you don't have to like use a ton all at once because I'm probably gonna use up like half this tube. I really like the smell though. It does smell a little bit like cleaning fluids though, but like not the bad cleaning fluids. I probably sound crazy. I got a little bit underneath, but it's okay. Okay, almost done. Or maybe not. I have a big forehead. I feel like I need to like be very careful not to get this on my hair because most charcoal masks are peel off, but this one isn't. It's wash off, so if I get some on my hair, I really don't have to worry that much. I feel like I could have done a better job getting it on my nose and my forehead, but at this point I'm just kind of tired. All right, 15 minutes. Yes, I opened my calculator app again. It's right next to the timer. They make it too easy to tap on the wrong one. All right, 15 minutes is up on my clock. No stinging. It feels very cooling, which is nice because most charcoal masks I use are a bit stingy and not more like on the cooling side. My face feels a little warm underneath, but it also just feels really cool. It's like a weird feeling. I don't know. I wonder if by blended, they mean you can use more than one at one time. I don't know, but hopefully this works on my face. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, I have like 8 minutes left, but I'm here for a little update. It's getting a bit stingy here on my cheeks, but that's about it. It's not really drying down entirely either, so okay. Also, my face is no longer coming up on autofocus, so I really hope this is focused. There we go. It's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna go wash this off and I will be right back. I have returned. The face pack is off my face. I do have to say, not a huge fan. It did leave my skin feeling like really nice and smooth, and that's really nice. However, I feel like more so than cleaning out my pores, it really kind of got stuck in my pores for the most part. Like there was a lot of like residue after I had washed it off, like little spots, and like after like getting closer to the mirror, I realized they were actually like in my pores, which isn't that great considering this is supposed to be like sebum control and blackheads and all that stuff. It almost kind of put more stuff in my pores. Like it took out the sebum and replaced it with like mask pack, which isn't that great. I think I got all of it for the most part. I probably will still use it because it was really nice on my skin, and my skin feels a bit dry now, which means I'm gonna have to put on a moisturizer, which I haven't yet. I just wanted to give my little last update. Yeah, I think it's okay. Some of the other colors might be better, but I wouldn't like go rush out to go buy this, you know? Like there's like a lot other better charcoal black clay masks out there on the market, and this is not one of them. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. All of my social media will be down in the little description box down there as well, so go check that out. I hope everyone's having a super great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys!